these bowls that it's already made. It's going to concentrate on filling that with as much cotton as it can.
Flat stick Marucci.
Think we're going to get it?
Not after at least 40 tries. What is that?
What was that? Oh boy. Oh, that's good stuff. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It is Monday, July the 29th, and doesn't look like we're going to be cutting any corn today. We got about 1.5 inches last night, pretty much everywhere. So, and before that, Saturday we got some rain too. So, I believe the corn harvest will be put off today. I may ride down there after lunch just to look at it, but anyway, so we're not going to be cutting corn right now. In the meantime, here's what we're doing. We're cutting shrubbery. They are going to be replacing the windows on the church, and the shrubbery was really tall, just about as tall as I was. So anyway, we're cutting all the shrubbery where they can get to the windows and replace them easy. It's hot, very hot. What else we got going on? PA is taking some chemical over to the airplane to Gentry. Basically, he's got to fly the whole valley and putting out Roundup or Makazi on the beans because we got some grass coming on and stuff. And then also we're putting a fungicide out on the beans. So that's all he's putting out. But anyway, he's taking all that chemical over to Gentry right now, so he should start flying the valley tomorrow. He said he's got about 1 day to catch up, and then he can jump on us. So that's all I know right now. So y'all sit back and enjoy the video. Stay cool. Let us do all the hard work. Let's go. So this is the side that we started on right here, and yeah, it was a lot of shrubbery. They were about that tall. It didn't look bad, they just got real bushy. There was no way to get up in here to get to these windows, but quite a lot of cutting. Probably wouldn't eat that. So we started on this side, and we've made it to right there where that bench is. And we're using a pole saw. James is working it. We got a chainsaw, and then we have a hedge trimmer that Dad was using.
We're going to cut these down knee, below your knee. Yeah. It's just a bunch of them. And all grown together. Yeah. We're going to come out here on the walk. See the walk way back in. So, not this one now, but from here to the end.
So this is the church that I grew up in. It's the Benton United Methodist Church. And Dad went and got the hymnal. And it tells a little bit of history about the church, and he wanted me to read this to y'all. So we're gonna read it. I don't know if y'all can hear me with the chainsaw in the background, but this is the best I can do. So that's the hymnal for the church. And it's got a little description right here, a little bit about the history. So this is what I'm gonna read to y'all. The church was, sorry about the chainsaw. The church was organized and constructed around 1850. From 1850 to 1919, the building was situated on the hill where Old Town Creek flows into the Alabama River on the western side of Benton. Originally, it was the Benton Methodist Episcopal Church. The building is a fine example of a country church in the Greek Revival style. It has a 4-bay facade which includes a double door entrance. This feature allowed for the custom of the men entering the left door and the women and children entering the right door, as they sat separately during worship. In 1919, the church was moved to its present location, being lowered intact onto pole skids. One horse and stump puller were used. An anchor would be set, a short pull made, then another anchor set, etc., until the job was completed. So that's how it got from over there by the creek to where it is on top of the hill now, where it's presently located. Now you know. Whew, man, we got really hot getting all that shrubbery up. So we just ate lunch. Now we're all gonna split up and everybody's gonna do separate jobs. Wayne is mowing grass. PA is gonna be going to the combine and greasing my header up, and he's got a couple of things he's got to do the combine. So he's gonna be doing that. James is checking out the 18-wheelers. Mark is going to be cleaning up the grain cart, the other grain cart and tractor, getting it ready to go. And I am going over here to the track hoe to knock down some of these trees up here that's at our catch bin, the catch bin job. First thing I gotta do, we gotta get this thing greased up. And once I get it greased up, that is the last row of trees left to take out right there. So anyway, that's what I'm gonna be working on this afternoon, taking them out. Well, I thought I was gonna run the track hoe, but man, we have got some heavy rain coming across that field right there. It's headed straight at us. It's right, y'all can see those trees down there. They're about to be covered up with rain. You can't see them. And it's coming right at us. Trying to put water in this front tank for weight. I need to put some zip ties right here. Now she's coming. So that was PA and James. They're gonna take the other grain cart down to Blackwell's Bend. I'm going over here in the valley because the airplane is just starting to spray soybeans today. But while I was on the way over here, I thought I'd show you all the cotton and kind of what it's been through when it went through that dry spell. So with the cotton, we went, what, 5 weeks without any rain, and the cotton plant was starting to shut down because we were seeing blooms at the very top. When you see blooms at the very top of a cotton field, and it was all the way across, it looked like just nothing but flowers at the very top. That means that plant is shutting down, and it's going to concentrate on filling out these bowls that it's already made. It's going to concentrate on filling that with as much cotton as it can. It's not going to grow any new growth. But thankfully, we started getting some rain, and we got rain after rain after rain, and this cotton plant has turned around, which is good. It's putting on what we call a top crop. So you got all this new growth up here. See all these blooms, squares. Anyway, we'll just have basically a bottom crop. See all these mature bowls down here. All these will open up a long time before these up here. But when you combine those two together, we should still have a pretty good yield. But it's a good sign when you see all these. See all these blooms, little squares. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. See them all up here. That is very good, because if we'd have gone about another week without a rain, this cotton would have shut down. Bowl, bowl, bowl. How tall those beans are. Look at the army worms. Well, that right there was just a partial load where we got caught by the rain the other day. Anyway, we just wanted to go ahead and get the truck unloaded, and we'll run it through the dryer. That way all our trucks will be empty. Dad was down there earlier this morning looking at the corn, and have not heard from him yet, but it does not look good for combining corn today because he hasn't called me yet. Come here. So this is the Milo, and this is the Carolina seed system. That's the brand, and I'm not sure if this is Launch or Launch 2.0, but look at this stalk. It is really taking off over there in the valley. I mean, it is chest high, some of them are head high. But the reason I pulled it up, because I keep going over there looking for a seed head to come out, and I have not seen one yet. So I pulled one up. I thought we would cut it in half and see if we can find the seed head, how far along it is. But I mean, a really, really healthy looking plant. And I didn't even dig this up. I just pulled it up by hand. So a lot of them, a lot of the roots ripped off, but it was very hard to get out of the ground. Really don't know what I'm doing. Gotta be in there somewhere. There it is. Golly, right there. Yep. She is way down in there. We're still a long ways off. It's right there. That is where it is. But it's really turned out to be a really good looking plant. Yeah, even though it went through all that drought, it held on, and now it's taking up all this moisture and the nitrogen and all, and really is impressing me. So can't wait to see what this thing does as far as yield wise. But that's where we are as far as seeing a seed head. So we got two more things we're gonna do before we shut it down today. We are going to grease up Dad's combine. Me and PA are gonna be working on that. We're also gonna oil the chains. And then the last thing we're gonna do today is we've got a flat on the pivot over there in the Toggleville. And like we did on one of the other videos, we've got an 8-hole tire. We've got to take the tire off the 8-hole rim because we need it on the 9-hole rim. So we're going to swap the tire from the 8-hole to the 9-hole, and then we'll be ready to change that at some later date. So you need these. You want to say hey to the camera? Hey to everybody.
Hey. Hi, y'all.
Anything you want to say to them?
Yeah, we're gonna get this grease up tractor done. Hopefully get it finished in an hour or two.
What are you making?
A bat.
A bat?
Baseball bat.
Oh, right in the water.
Flat stick Marucci.
What was that? It's on there.
Alright, down. There it went.
There it goes.
Down. Now we need a tire hammer.
Can I use the tire they take off?
Oh!
That
Yeah.
they're not going to use?
Lay down.
Yeah.
That's something. Come forward. Oh, get down.
What try is this, Thomas?
Like the 20th?
Think we're gonna get it?
Not after at least 40 tries. What is that?
Lay down.
Oh, it's coming, it's coming.
Down.
It's going. There it goes. Hallelujah.
We got it.
40th try.
Thank you, bud.
You see I'm on this side? Get on the other side. And keep it from going your way. I'll keep it from going my way. Not sure what he's gonna do with it, but he wanted it over there where he was working with that wood.
Hallelujah.
What are you trying to do?
Push it up on there. But I can't.
Push.
And I'll put it on there.
Alright, get on that. Let go. Push it. You ever done this before?
Lots of time. Get over there, dude. I'll pitch at you, man. Yeah, it's coming.
That's it, everybody, for the video. And we'll probably do another one tomorrow. And see you on the next one, guys.